Okay. Hello, everybody. A very warm welcome from Sashak Empowering Lives. So, it's Rajni here again, one more time. And today, I am here with some practical techniques and strategies. Most of the times, we are worried about our children's socialization skills, and we say we take the kid to the park, but they're not playing with other children. At other times, we say, I don't know whom my kid can interact with. But you know what, guys? When we follow step by step the five finger process, now there's a five finger process for entire autism parenting, and there is a five finger process for social skill development. So, which is you start with teaching saying hi and bye independently, initiation and exit, start and finish of conversation, followed by maintenance 1, maintenance 2, which means the child says, how are you? And the other child responds, I'm fine, thank you. And the other child asks, how are you? And this child responds, I'm fine, thank you. And after that comes the big one, which is the directing, the big finger. Directing means you have to do a script with the child. You have to sit down and teach the child. So when so and so will say this, what will you say? And then when you will say this, then the other person will say this. So both the parents have to prepare their children at their end. And you know what, guys? The beauty of it all, when you have a will, you have a way. These are two of my students, as you will see, in separate cities, on Zoom, but doing scripting. So for all the parents who say, what can I do? There are no other children in my vicinity. Well, if you have a will, you will find a way. So the video, as you see, is about two neurodivergent children with whom the scripting process has been attempted at the parents' end, and then they have been put forward and they are being helped and guided in a step-by-step manner. Watch it will give you a lot of ideas. And in case you like our content and our videos and our tips are practical and helpful to you, in that case, please go right ahead, like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell. And we will keep on coming up with more such like videos.
Hello, Abdul Rahman. How are you? I'm from Joseph. I am fine, thank you. आपका समर वेकेशन कैसा जा रहा है? मेरा भी समर वेकेशन अच्छा जा रहा है। आप समर वेकेशन आप
क्या
आप
पार्क
घूमने जाते हो? हाँ, मैं पार्क घूमने जाता हूँ।
आप किस
पार्क में घूमने जाते हो? मैं सोसाइटी में
के पार्क में
घूमने जाता हूँ। आप हाँ, मुझे
पार्क
में घूमना पसंद है।
अब पूछो, क्या आपको क्या आपको
क्या आपको
पार्क में घूमना
घूमना पसंद है?
मुझे पार्क पसंद है। पार्क कब जाते हो?
आप पार्क कब जाते हो?
मैं
मॉर्निंग
में पार्क
जा
जाता हूँ।
आप कब जाते हो?
आप में पार्क में
आप कब
आप कब पार्क जाते हो?
मैं इवनिंग जाता हूँ। मुझे पार्क जाना है।
आपसे
बात करके अच्छा लगा। हम फिर बात करेंगे। बाय। ओके, बाय अब्दुल रहमान, टेक केयर। मम्मा टेक केयर। क्लैप। मम्मा क्लैप
हाँ क्लैप
कर दो।
बाय
बाय अब्दुल रहमान।
So, guys, this was a small presentation, as in a small example of how you are going to teach your child how to develop spontaneous communication with another kid. Hope you liked it. Hope you made your notes. And please leave your comment in the comment section below after you tried with your kid. I would love to hear from you. How have you learned from it? How did you practice? What were the roadblocks, if any? And what were the successes? Because you know what? At the end, each and every kid with autism at least deserves a proper chance from us parents so that their skill can be developed before we simply decide to give up on them. Actually, we should never give up on them because every kid with autism can. Autism is workable. So, with all of these and more insightful ideas, I will see you yet another time in another video. Until then, like, subscribe, share, comment below, and if you want to learn more, in the description I've given our links for the masterclass as well as the Instagram and YouTube live. Join us there. Always remember, your child will grow as far as you are learned. Autism is workable.